Ever wanted to add those nice graphic brushes to your artwork but you don't know how? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ricardo Costa and in this video we're gonna see how to install brushes on Photoshop. Start by download the brushes you want. I've already downloaded mine for this tutorial, but you can find on Brusheezy for instance. You can see here on this folder the brushes I've already downloaded. I have my Inkscape and watercolor brushes. So now with my new document open on Photoshop and the brush tool selected, we open the brush panel here on top. Then on the settings icon on top right, we see here import brushes and let's click on that. Now select the folder with the brushes we want and hit open. The brushes you've just downloaded will appear in the bottom of the list. And now you can select what you want, change the size and colors and play with them as you want. So let's play a little bit with some brushes I've already downloaded, and you can see I have here my watercolor brushes and I am trying to do some kind of wallpaper with some random colors just for this tutorial. Okay, and as you can see, as simple as that, you just need to download what you want and then change the colors and sizes, and that's it. There we go. Now you know how to install brushes on Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time for more Photoshop tutorials.